Somewhere right now, a person is getting fired. Not because they did something wrong, not because the company is struggling, just because something faster, cheaper, and tireless just learn how to do their job. That later, for millions of people, is quietly becoming too late. Not because they are unintelligent, not because they are lazy, but because nobody told them the world had already changed while they were deciding whether to pay attention. There is a psychological concept called normalcy bias. It's the tendency of the human mind to underestimate the possibility of a radical change. Because our brains are wired to assume the future will mostly resemble the past. It's why people ignore warnings until it's too late. It's why companies dismiss disruption until it destroys them. And it's why most people right now are watching AI era arrive and telling themselves it won't really affect them. My job is too human. I will adapt when I need to. It won't be that different. These are the most expensive thoughts a person can have right now. But this is not a story about doom. This is a story about a gap. A gap between the people paying attention right now, adapting, repositioning, preparing, and the people waiting for permission to take the future seriously. The gap is still small enough to close, but it is not staying small for long. The most valuable people in the next decade will not be the most intelligent, they will be the most adaptable. The ones who can think clearly in an era of noise, who can stay human when synthetic everything is everywhere, who refuse to wait until waiting become regret. The AI era has already started. The people who recognize that today are not smarter than the ones who don't. They are just more honest about what they are looking at. You still have time.